Why is this top so hard to put on? Come on. Ugh.
Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. So I am actually going on a trip to the UK, which I'm just so excited with my friend Carrie and Jasmine. And I went to the UK back in 2019 and I was watching my like outfits of the week, basically the outfits I wore when I was there. And I was shocked at how much my style has changed. Like I still love the pieces I wore in that video and on that trip, but it really was like just denim on denim every single day. It was the same outfit like over and over again. This time I really want to properly plan my outfits because I believe I packed the night before I left, whereas right now I have like probably 4 more days. And so I'm wanting to just be more organized and have a better idea of what I want to wear. And so I figured I would film it. Basically, this is just gonna be a super chill pack with me, plan my outfits, but this is also to have you help me in what you think I should bring as well. So any of the outfits I put together in this video, let me know your thoughts and all that. So yeah, let's get into me like putting together outfits for my UK trip. Okay, so the first day that we arrive is obviously like after a 10-hour flight. I'm gonna be honestly wearing pajamas on the plane, comfort over everything. I literally do not care. I do want to have an outfit for when we get there and probably change to then get something for dinner because we're coming in at the end of the day. And so I just feel like I'm gonna wanna change. Obviously comfort is still gonna be key because I'm sure I'm gonna be exhausted. So I'm trying to think if I should go for like a maxi skirt, but I'm also like, would I rather save my maxi skirt for another day, but then I don't want to wear jeans. Also, the weather seems to be like pretty good. I'm actually really excited. I have like a raincoat that I actually got when I was in the UK in 2019, and I think I've only used it like once or twice, so definitely will be bringing that. It's like super thin and easy to just throw on, but I'm trying to think because I also could go just with some like trousers or something, but I don't want to waste a good outfit on us just like going to dinner and then coming back to just go to sleep, you know? But I do want to at least have an outfit that's comfortable. So let's try to put that together. I feel like that is a little, like it just doesn't make any sense. I mean, these colors really don't go together, but I'm like, I really want to wear this sweater. I haven't worn it in years. I'm gonna go for these Princess Polly asymmetrical jeans because they are more of a mid-rise, and this like the waist is just a little bit too, it's not tight, but I just know after being on a plane I don't want anything tight around my waist. Yeah, these are so comfy, and so it's like I could just wear sweats, but I feel like these are honestly just as comfy. This is definitely an option. Again, I'm thinking just comfortable. I know the first outfit isn't the most exciting, but I just feel like this sweater is better when it's tucked in, so I don't think I am going to wear it. Okay, actually I cannot put this turtleneck on my, like, over my head right now because it's just gonna like ruin my makeup, but I'm thinking that. I just feel very comfy in this. I've had this sweatshirt for literally years, and then with the white turtleneck under, I think that is an outfit where I would feel really comfortable in. Just imagine. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my after arriving outfit. The second day, I think is the day we're going to film the thrift with me. Basically the charity shop slash vintage shops I want to go to. We obviously are gonna have to use the tube, and so I want to be practical, and the fact that I'm gonna have to walk a little bit but also be cute. I will be getting my period when I'm on this trip, so I'm also thinking about like, okay, when I get my period, what am I going to wear? Which is just like, planning wise, so frustrating. Ooh, what I think I actually want to wear, I just remembered. There are some outfits that I've worn in previous outfit videos that I just haven't gotten a chance to properly wear out. And I've had this outfit idea since I wore it. It was from a like recreating my Pinterest video, and I just really liked how this outfit came out. This, my little Devil's crop top. And then, and I feel like this is what makes it, because I think by itself I would be like just with potentially like feeling uncomfortable, just a little bit too out there. I think then adding this would be perfect. Yeah, like I think it's so cute. And again, if I'm feeling uncomfortable or something, I can kind of like go like that, but I feel like it's just a really nice, not casual, but like outfit that I would feel good going like out and about. Definitely will be wearing my Doc Marten Jadens. I literally wore these all around the UK in 2019 and they were really comfortable for me, so definitely will be doing that again. Jewelry, I really like this necklace. It has a bunch of different, I don't know if you'll be able to see because of the lighting, but it has a bunch of like pastel flowers on it. I feel like that tops it up like perfectly. I don't know. I may wear my hair in pigtails. I've been really enjoying pigtails, like especially with bows. Like I could do some black bows. I think it looks pretty good. Day 3, which I'm not too sure what we're gonna be doing. We may potentially, Carrie and I kind of want like a tattoo, and Jasmine wants to get her ears pierced, so we may do that, we may not, but if we do, I want to keep in mind having my arms like accessible. I don't know if we'll be doing a lot of walking. I really want to wear my red boots. Just been wanting to wear these out so bad, but I'm like, am I just gonna be like screwing myself over wearing those and walking, because I've never worn them outside before. I really want to wear this. I thrifted it recently and I just really want a reason to wear it, and maybe that day would be good for it. It's actually the first time I've ever put it on my body since I thrifted it. I just haven't had a chance to put it on. I feel like it may be too short. I mean, obviously I'll wear like little leg shorts under it. Do I wear a puff sleeve under it, or is that too much? And also shoes wise, I would usually go for my Unif boots, but these are so uncomfortable. They are the most uncomfortable shoe I've ever worn in my life, but they're so cute. And I still need to like break them in and stuff, so this is not the trip for them. But I ended up thrifting these, or I guess buying them from Poshmark, and I think with this outfit they would be perfect. These are basically the same type of shoe as those, so let's just see what it looks like. I would definitely go with this leather blazer. I thought about my long leather trench, but it's just too big to pack, and I feel like this would be perfect. But then I feel like it takes away from the dress. Obviously I can take it off, but I don't want to just like be holding it walking around. Like that is so cute. Okay, I don't know what day I will wear this, but I feel like this is an outfit I should wear. Day 4, we are going to be driving someplace, and I may be filming then another thrifting video. I'm not too sure. So I'm gonna be in the car. I feel like the outfit I just had on could also work for this day, but I'm gonna make a plan B just in case. Kind of want to put together like a trouser and like suit combo. I could either go for just the white little t-shirt, or I could go with my white tank top. I can't find it right now. Just the joys of moving and honestly not packing very well. But if I find it, I feel like I could also wear that instead. I mean, it's not the most exciting outfit, but I think it's still cute. And these pants are so comfy, and I like because it's like they're trousers, so they look like you put in a little bit more effort. Next, I really want to style an outfit with my maxi skirt. I just feel like this would be a really good piece to bring because I love it so much. I am kind of tempted to wear this top. I would definitely have to wear it with like nipple covers, which is how I wore it recently. I think that looks cute. Again, just like disregard the bra, and then I would put it with those black shoes I got from Poshmark, or just my dogs. I think this is too summery, honestly. Like, it's cute, but I just don't think I should actually bring it. I want to bring the skirt again, so I think it's just the top I'm not gonna bring. I've decided to bring out my sweater vest because I'm like, oh my gosh, I can probably wear a sweater vest there. But I'm trying to decide between 2 different jackets, and I feel like from the jackets I decide will then help me figure out what sweater vest I would want to go with. Even though I said I'm gonna wear my like black leather blazer, I feel like I should bring this, but then I also want to bring this. Wait, is this actually like really cute with this? I feel like that does work. Oh my gosh, I can't bring a different jacket every single day. Holy moly. Could wear this, but I feel like that's so bright. Or I freaking love this and I haven't really been able to wear it. Or I could just go for a black one Nice and easy, gets the job done. I feel like this is so cute. So jacket wise, if I put on this black and white cow print belt, does this look dumb? No, this definitely does not work. Nope, I think we're gonna go with the purple jacket. I feel like I've definitely worn this outfit in a video, but it's just like such a go-to. And one of the days we may just be like chilling, hanging out. So I want something that's comfy, but again, I don't want to just like wear the jeans, and these like fold really like perfectly because they're quite thin. And it looks amazing with my cow print t-shirt. This is like my favorite t-shirt that I own. I do need to wash this outfit because I wore it literally yesterday. Perfect. So perfect. I did think about maybe, I mean, I feel like if I was cold though, or if I wanted to just like add something, I would just add my leather blazer, because this kind of, it hides the cow, and I want the cow's face to be in your face. I do really want to bring a couple of dresses, like really thin dresses that are easy to kind of throw in, just for, I don't know, maybe we're going out to dinner and I want to wear something different. I overpack, okay? If you can't tell, I overpack. So I want to wear this, and I probably would wear it exactly how I wore it in that video, the Whimsy Goth video where I thrifted this. This is also really cute, but it's really thin, and I feel like between both of them, I would be more excited to wear this one, but I feel like I can also pack this one and it won't make that big of a deal if I end up not wearing it. Since you've already seen the green one pretty recently, I'm gonna put on the purple one and see what I would want to put with it. Why is this top so hard to put on? Come on. Ugh. But isn't it a little bit too like summery? Whereas the other one I feel like is more autumn fall. I feel like I would just be absolutely freezing in this one. It's so thin. I feel like this dress is a maybe. I don't think I'm gonna bring it. I really want to bring this dress, but I feel like I just don't need to. It's so cute though. Like, this is such a great dress, but I feel like I already have a couple dresses. But I'm also like, what if, I don't know, we want to go for like tea or something? But I could wear the pink dress for tea, you know? No, I'm gonna leave it. I think the next thing I really want to style is this yellow skirt. Or, because I was just thinking about how I really want to style this vest as well. And then maybe with like this turtleneck under. Maybe I should then put it with jeans, honestly. Like, I know I talked about how I'm not necessarily wearing like just denim on denim, but like this is just a really cute look. Like, look at this. Yes, I should bring it. I did also think about wearing this denim vest with a skirt, like this teddy bear skirt. Ooh, I actually really like this. I feel like I may bring the skirt. Yeah, like look at how cute this is, the little bears. I think I will still bring the jeans because those are kind of like my go-to jeans. So if at any point I want to wear jeans, even though I'm bringing the other jeans, then at least I have those jeans as well. Okay, I do want to just see what this pink dress looks like with that checkered blazer. I feel like it doesn't look good, honestly. I feel like this blazer looks better with like jeans and like a tank top or something. But what if I did put like a puff sleeve under this? Tell me what you think, like how it looks with the puff sleeve under it. I feel like it doesn't look good. I just feel like it looks really odd. Maybe it's because the puff sleeve is like a longer top that it doesn't look good, but maybe it's cute. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer this dress without the puff sleeve or with the puff sleeve. Which also, like, maybe I'm just trying to make this dress work and it doesn't work, like for this trip. Right now I have, I think like 7 or 8 outfits. Here's what it's looking like. Obviously I have to organize it. I'm tempted to bring like a long dress in case I don't know, just in case. Didn't really get a lot of wear out of this, and I feel like it could be a really great option just with my leather blazer. Like, I don't know, if I'm just not feeling it one of the days, but I want to wear something like cute, this could be a good option. I am a little conflicted in that, like, I'm not sure if I'm bringing items that are good for the cold, or like it's actually not gonna be that cold, but still cold. I feel like I won't know until I get there. So I'm like, is this gonna be too, like, am I gonna be freezing in this outfit? I mean, I can wear longer socks, obviously. I'll bring longer socks for this, but I feel like this is a good option. I want to pair these pants with something. They're like these pink trousers. I don't know if I'll bring them, but I just want to see Like maybe I could go for like this and like a crew neck. But I don't really like to tuck things into these because they're quite thin. I did think about like this would be really cute. Yeah, I definitely don't think this is appropriate for the weather. Oh my god, but it's so cute. This is actually pretty cute, but I feel like because they're so thin, you can like see the top that's like tucked in. So I feel like I have to say no to these trousers, I'm pretty sure. Alrighty, honestly I felt like in this video I was gonna be like so decisive on what I was gonna wear every day, but I now just have all the clothes like thrown onto my suitcase and now I just don't know. I think I may try to see how much fits and kind of go from there, but let me know in the comments down below again anything that you think I shouldn't bring or that I should bring, because some of the pieces I'm sure they're not gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye to some. And also if you would style them any differently. My creativity, like I feel like I'm not awake right now, I'm gonna be completely honest, and I'm sorry if my energy levels were very low. I got my second booster and then also my flu shot yesterday, and I get so affected by it like a day or two after, and so I am just like not mentally here right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film like an outfits of the week or like vlog. Let me know if you would want me to, but I may just take videos of my outfits every day over on my TikTok, which is AlexSunshine83. But yeah, as always, 99% of everything that I showed in this video is secondhand, which is so cool that like literally everything in my suitcase is secondhand. So if you do like thrifting and secondhand fashion, then make sure to subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is AlexSunshine83. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a super sunny day. Bye!